What's your plan for the holidays? I want to go to sea. To the sea. You should use the with sea. There is most beautiful with the most beautiful. You should use the with superlative adjectives. Okay, the most beautiful sea. It's near my town. Near my town. With possessive adjectives, we don't use the. Oh, I hate this the. When do we use it? That's a very good question. Let me show you. Hello, my name is Maddie from POC English, and in this lesson, we're going to talk about the. What is the? Well, the is an article. But what's an article? Well, articles are small words that go before nouns or noun phrases in English. We have two types of articles. Indefinite article, a or an, and definite article. Now, we use a or an, the indefinite articles, when we don't know what we are talking about. We use the definite article, the, when we know what we are talking about. For example, look at these two sentences. Yesterday, I bought an apple. Jack ate the apple. In the first sentence, I say an apple. Which apple did I buy? Well, one apple. I don't know exactly which apple. I just picked an apple. One apple. However, when I say Jack ate the apple, which apple did Jack eat? Well, the apple that I had bought from the supermarket, right? I know which apple. So when you don't exactly know what you were talking about, we use a or an, the indefinite articles. However, if you know exactly what you are talking about, we use the. Now, that was the basic rule. There are many different rules about the. In this lesson, we're going to talk about them. I have divided this lesson into 3 different parts: beginner rules, intermediate rules, and advanced rules regarding the use of the. Let's start this lesson with the beginner rules. There are 2 rules for the beginner students. Rule number 1, if you know what you are talking about, use the. Otherwise, use a or an. Look at these examples. I've been to the doctor. I have been to the doctor. Which doctor? My doctor. What's his name? Dr. Jones. Where is his office? Well, I know, right down the street. Do you know Dr. Jones? Yes, he's my doctor. So I went to the doctor means I know which doctor. Look at this one. Have you fed the dogs? Have you fed the dogs? Did you give food to the dogs? Which dogs? Our dogs. The dogs we have here. Not all dogs in the world. Or look at this one. Could you pass the salt? We're having dinner. And then I need some salt in my food. And I ask you, sorry, could you pass the salt? Which salt? Well, the salt on the table. I know what I'm talking about. And when you know what you're talking about, use the. That was rule number 1. Now, rule number 2, if what you're talking about is the only thing around you, we use the, because that's the only thing. And you and I know what we're talking about. For example, where is the YouTube play button? Well, it's right there because that's the only one. Well, there are 2. But if I say the gold play button, we're talking about 1, which is that one. So basically, if there is only one of something, we use the. For example, the sun, the moon, the earth, the universe, the world, the future, the government. Look at these examples. I haven't seen the sun for days. I haven't seen the sun for days. Or look at this one. Do you trust the government? Or look at this. Some people think that the earth is flat. So far we have learned 2 rules about the use of the. Now let's talk about the rules of the intermediate level. There are 3 rules here. Let's talk about rule number 3. We use the with superlative adjectives. What are superlative adjectives? Well, when you want to make a comparison between more than 2 things, we use superlative adjectives. For example, the best, the biggest, the smallest, the most expensive, the most intelligent, the most dangerous. These are superlative adjectives. Now, why do we use the with superlative adjectives? Because when you say the biggest city in the world, how many cities are the biggest? Only one. And remember, in rule number 2, we said if there is only one of the thing you were talking about, we use the. So when you say the biggest city, we know what city you were talking about. Look at these two examples. Example 1, I'm the oldest son in my family. I am the oldest son in my family. How many oldest sons are there in my family? 1, only me. So I am the oldest. Or look at this one. He's the tallest boy in our team. He is the tallest boy in our team. How many tallest boys are there? There is only one tallest. So, the tallest. Rule number 4, with these words, we always use the. First, next, last, same, and only. 5 words here. Look at these examples. He was the first student to finish his homework. The next TV show is my favorite. This was the last time I ever talked to you. We went to the same school. She is the only girl I love. Rule number 5, which is often challenging for students because you have to memorize it, the can be used, or let's say must be used, with the names of some places. But what places? For example, the names of the seas. For example, the Atlantic or the Atlantic Sea. The names of mountain groups like the Himalayas. The names of island groups such as the Prince or the Prince Islands. The names of rivers such as the Nile or the Thames. The names of deserts such as the Sahara Desert, the names of cinemas such as the Playhouse, the names of museums such as the Museum of Modern Art or the British Museum, and the names of hotels such as the Grand Hotel. These are things that you have to memorize, okay? Now, there is one last rule I want to talk about, and this rule is for advanced students. But before talking about this rule, there is something I want to tell you. Do you want to have the summary of this lesson and all my YouTube lessons in the form of one book with 400 pages? You can download my Ultimate English book. This book has all the summaries of all of my YouTube videos, and it has more than 400 pages. And the good news, this book is free for my YouTube subscribers. You can download it from my website, but how? Simply click on the link above my head, go to my website, type in your name, your email address, click download, and you will receive the link in your inbox. Enjoy! Alright, and the last rule, which is a rule for advanced students. Whenever a noun has post-modification, we use the. But what is post-modification? A post-modification is a phrase after a noun beginning with of that limits the noun. What do I mean? Let me show you one example. Music is very general, right? So can I say the music? No. Because when you are talking about something in general, you cannot use the. I like music. This is correct. I like the music. This is not correct. However, if instead of music, I say music of the 1960s, I should use the. And I should say the music of the 1960s. But why? Look at the phrase after music of the 1960s. This phrase begins with of and it limits the word music. Are we talking about all music? No. We're talking about a limited part of music, which is music of the 1960s. I am limiting the noun with a phrase starting with of. This is called post-modification. And whenever we have post-modification, we should use the. Let me show you some other examples. Can I say the butterflies are beautiful? No, because butterflies is a very general word. And if I say butterflies are beautiful, I'm speaking generally. But if I say the butterflies of Africa, I can say that. I have to say that because butterflies of Africa is a specific. I'm talking about certain kinds of butterflies. The butterflies of Africa. Let me tell you another example. Can I say the people? Look at this example. Honesty is very important for the people. If I'm talking in general, I cannot use the, not the people. Honesty is very important for people. But look at this. If I say the people of this country, is that correct? Yes. Because after the word people, I have of this country. This phrase of this country is limiting the word people, so I should say the people of this country. Enough with the rules. We have learned 6 rules of when and where to use the. Now, let me tell you about 3 common mistakes students often make with the use of the. Common mistake number 1, never use the if you are talking in general. Look at this example. The elephants can swim very well. Is this correct? Well, look at the noun elephant. Are we talking about a particular group of elephants or elephants in general? Elephants in general. So can I use the? No, 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 no. Elephants can swim very well, not the elephants. Or look at this one. The life is complicated. The life? Am I speaking in general about life? Yes. Can I use the? No. Life is complicated. Or look at this one. My sister loves the horses. The horses? Which horses? Horses in general. Can I use the? No, 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 no. Common mistake number 2. Do not use the with possessive pronouns, possessive adjectives, or this, that, these, those. Possessive adjectives are my, your, his, her, our, their. Possessive pronouns are mine, yours, his, hers, ours, theirs. You cannot use the with these words. For example, it is wrong to say, this is the my book, or this is the your house. No, 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 no. Also, you can't use it with this, that, these, and those. Give me the that book. No, 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 no. Common mistake number 3, the last common mistake. Do not use the with proper nouns. Look at this sentence. The Mary lives in the Switzerland. There are 2 mistakes in this sentence. First, the Mary. Mary is a proper noun. It's the name of a person. I cannot say the Mary. I should say Mary. Mistake 2. Switzerland. Switzerland is a name of a country. It's a proper noun. I cannot use the. So instead of this sentence, I should say, Mary lives in Switzerland. And one final point, generally with the names of countries, we do not use the. However, with these countries, we must use the. The USA, the UK, the UAE, the PRC. Why? Because these are short forms. The USA, the United States of America. You should use the. However, for Italy, Japan, China, Brazil, do we use the? No, the Brazil is wrong. The Japan is wrong. We should say Japan or Brazil. And that's it. I hope you've enjoyed this lesson. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and click subscribe. See ya.